Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this BAXI. It's got an ignition problem and it's giving an error code E133. So in this video we're going to diagnose it and repair it and hopefully repair it. And I'll be sharing that with you in this video. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
What's in there? It's in the caddy. Sana kariyo. Just loosen it a bit. That's enough.
This is where you take over, mate.
No.
Eh?
Okay, go and reset it again. What's going on?
Open the hot water.
Okay. Hot water?
Yeah, I'll just.
You got it?
Yeah, see it's going straight up. Could be the plate.
Throw me up. Okay, let's go off. Let's keep it going. Right, just good there. And just close that in for me. So we keep it in. That'll do. Right, where's my thingy? Let's try again.
Right guys, I've opened the tap and the green light for the tap is on. So the boiler senses the demand on, but it's still not firing up.
Let the tap open and temperature is going down rather than going up.
Is that the thermistor? Sensor, this one here.
So after three attempts, the boiler started flashing the code.
E133, right? That's ignition issue on here, yeah? So we still got no code. It's cold. Right. So we're going to do now.
Yeah.
So now.
Someone left this. Well, we didn't leave it there.
Oh, that's right. So now we got the case off. Right. And we're going to try the tap now. Let's see what's in there. Switch that off for me.
Light?
Yeah.
Right guys, the reason I got the screwdriver on the cable is because I saw some sparks coming from the cable. So I thought the sparks are jumping. Anyway, the conclusion was the spark electrode is faulty. It's worn out. It's sticking together. So I've come down to a local boiler space shop, which is the Graham's Plumbing Merchants on Bromford Lane. Luckily they had one in stock and I've just come down to pick it up. Now the good thing about these guys is they got a huge amount of boiler space, so they're always readily available.
So guys, the the electrode on the BAXI is gone. So I'm just gonna bore a new one. Where is it? Somewhere here. No, there it is. Bore a new one. Can you see the gap in it? So it's a much bigger gap on that. And this is just so worn out. So that's why we're getting E11133. I also bought the leads because the leads on that were dodgy and the weak. So they were sparking on the sides of the lead. So I bought some new leads for it as well. Right. Okay. Chalo. We struggle with it, we just change it anyway. Right. So we're going to be changing the oil full. Can you see that? You should always have spare ones on these, you know. Whoa. Need sharp teeth for this one.
Your pocket knife.
By the time I get it out. Okay, that's on. Ready? Here we go. Put you on to the honors. Switch it. Have another go? 1 second, not yet. Let it go off. Oh, it's on heating. Okay, let me just switch the heating up. No, Uncle, in the pipe. Okay, now try it again. ठीक है one more go off. Yeah, don't worry about that. That's okay. 5 seconds, 10 seconds. It's ready to go. Okay, on again. One last go. Top one. And that's all working fine. Right guys, I'm just going to do all my safety checks and I didn't need to change that. That was fine. I'm working now. Put things back together and get out of here. Right guys, the central heating is working fine now. The boiler is firing up normal 1333. The BAXI boiler is working fine now. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.